one, here's another tutorial here for me. This is essentially how to get more attention on TikTok. You can get a lot of attention on TikTok and a lot of followers and get on the For You page. There's three main things that I've seen that really convinces the TikTok algorithm to push out your content and have your content on that For You page. The first one of the three things is to be on top of all the memes that are trending right now and all the popular sounds. So essentially with TikTok, there's different memes that come with the sounds. So if you attach those specific sounds to your video, that will confuse the algorithm to push out that content that you want. The second one is to essentially use trending hashtags, because there's different trends that will happen and it's gonna wanna push out that content. Even if your video doesn't fall within that, I've seen people use those trending hashtags and receive clout for it. And then the third one is the share, other, cancel. So this is something that a lot of popular creators have been taking advantage of. And essentially, if followers, or even you can do it yourself, there's an arrow for share, you press other, you press cancel. It really does nothing, but it confuses the algorithm to push out your content. So here's a little tutorial on how to do all three of these specific things. Add a sound function. See this right here? Except we're not going to use this specific one. So we're going to take a little video. This is me, this is my cat, hi. And then I'm going to click next. Take a little video.
See, that's the video I just took.
Hi.
Select a sound. Okay, I like to use the trending sounds right here. You don't necessarily have to, you can use any sound that you'd like, but these ones are usually the ones that have memes attached to them, or so it's going to be more likely to end up on that For You page. So like this one. Take a little video. So take a little video. It's my cat. Take a little video. This is me. This is my cat. Hi. Take a and then the video isn't actually having that sound attached, but it will get the clout from that sound. Essentially, I've seen other users use this to get on the For You. I don't really know how effective this is, but I've seen other people do it. Essentially, you can do hashtags, and right here there's these trending hashtags. I sometimes use those, and then it'll make your video more popular. I also usually tag For You page if I can, and then obviously hashtags related, but you do have a small window to work with how much text you can actually add to a TikTok video, which I think is kind of smart rather than limiting the hashtags like Instagram does. So if you want to get TikTok famous, one thing that you can do essentially to get clout on a video that you think deserves it, or you want just more attention on, I'm going to be working on this video. Do you ever look at
So essentially what you have to do first is you need to log out of your account and then search up your page and then go to your video.
Do you ever look at
and then go to the share, other, and then cancel. As you can see, it's 86 right now. I'm gonna go back to my page.
Do you ever look at
pause, and now it's 87. So I'm gonna do it again. Other, cancel.
Do you ever
now it's 88, and as you can see, likes are just pouring in, and people are viewing it a lot more.
Do you ever
it's caused it to go on the For You page. As long as you keep doing that, your video will continuously get clout. So obviously I have a lot of followers and likes. I didn't realize of this trick until recently, but if you want to get more attention on your videos, please
use this to your advantage until TikTok takes this away from their algorithm.
Lastly, I'd like to have a disclaimer that this will not guarantee you fame and fortune. Essentially, this is just ways to trick the algorithm into promoting your video more. But overall, don't get mad at me if your video does not become like super famous. But these are just simple tricks in order to get clout on a video. But essentially, in order to get fully famous, definitely build up a brand, have consistent videos, and do that kind of stuff. Build a consistent following, and all the regular ways to get famous. Not necessarily doing these three simple things will guarantee you a fan base, but it's a good way to get started.